Rustic Christmas decor, cozy, natural, and timeless. Welcome back to Home Decor 101. Christmas is a time of warmth, connection, and nostalgia, and for many, no style embodies that spirit better than rustic Christmas decor. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic holiday charm. What does it mean to have rustic Christmas decor? How can you bring that cozy, natural vibe into your home? And where can you find inspiration from notable locations that embrace this timeless style? Stick around for tips, ideas, and a touch of Christmas magic. If you like this vibe, go ahead and check the description box. I found some pieces that you can take home today. So let's start with, what is rustic Christmas decor? Rustic Christmas decor draws inspiration from nature and the simplicity of country living. It's all about creating a warm, inviting, and unpretentious atmosphere that feels like a step back in time. So key elements include natural materials like wood, burlap, and metal, earthy and neutral tones with accents of red, green, and white, those traditional Christmas colors. Handcrafted or vintage items that really evoke a sense of nostalgia and how things were. And soft, cozy textures like wool, flannel, and faux fur. Rustic Christmas decor captures the warmth and charm of a snowy cabin in the woods, a perfect blend of simplicity and just that feeling of being cozy. So now let's talk how to achieve rustic Christmas decor at your home. Now this is a lot easier than you might think, but let's break it down step by step just to make it clear. Number 1, start with natural elements. Nature is at the heart of rustic decor. Use fresh greenery like pine, cedar, or eucalyptus for garlands, wreaths, and centerpieces. Add pine cones, branches, or even dried oranges to enhance the natural vibe. Number 2, choose a cozy color palette. So stick to warm, earthy tones like brown, cream, and deep green paired with pops of Christmas red. For a softer look, incorporate muted shades like sage green or cream, dusty white. Any of that works beautifully with those brown, earthy tones. It's going to give you the perfect rustic room that you're desiring. Number 3, incorporate textures. Rustic decor is all about layers. Layer your space with textured fabrics like plaid blankets, chunky knit throws, and burlap ribbons. These elements not only look inviting, but make your home feel cozier. Number 4, use wooden and vintage-inspired decor. Rustic Christmas decor thrives on wooden accents. Think wooden ornaments, log candle holders, and reclaimed wood signs with really festive sayings on them like "Come on in" or "Merry Christmas to all." Incorporate vintage or antique items like lanterns, old sleds, or milk jugs for a nostalgic touch. Number 5, add soft ambient lighting. Lighting plays a big role in setting the mood. Use warm-toned string lights, candles, or lanterns to create a soft, welcoming glow. And number 6, personalize with handcrafted details. Rustic decor loves a DIY touch. If you are a DIY maven or DIY guru, now is your time to shine. You can make your own ornaments, string popcorn garlands, or even craft a simple wooden advent calendar. These handmade elements add authenticity and charm. So let's talk about what goes into rustic Christmas decor. There are some staples that really define the rustic Christmas aesthetic. Number 1, the Christmas tree. A rustic tree often features simple but yet beautiful decorations. Use natural ornaments like wooden stars, dried orange slices, or even cinnamon sticks. Opt for burlap or plaid ribbons instead of really flashy tinsel. Number 2, stockings and mantle decor. Hang stockings made from natural fabrics like burlap, linen, or wool. Decorate the mantle with greenery, pine cones, and candles in mason jars or vintage candle holders. Number 3, let's talk about the tablescape. I love a good tablescape. Rustic Christmas tablescapes are understated, but they still have like this elegant charm to them. Use a burlap or linen table runner, wooden chargers, and simple place settings. Add small touches like sprigs of rosemary tied to napkins or mason jars filled with tea lights. And number 4, let's talk about outdoor decor. Bring rustic charm to your porch or yard with a wooden sled, a vintage wheelbarrow filled with greenery, or lanterns with LED candles. A simple wreath made of fresh pine and a plaid bow on your door just really ties it all together. Really cohesive look. So let's talk about why you would choose rustic Christmas decor. So rustic Christmas decor is more than just a style, it's an experience, an immersive experience. But here's why it's so popular. Because it has timeless appeal. Rustic decor never really goes out of style. It feels both nostalgic and current at the same time. It also is a very cozy atmosphere. It creates a warm, welcoming space that invites you to relax and enjoy the season. It's also super budget friendly. Many elements can be DIY'd or sourced from nature, so you don't have to spend a ton of money at those huge box stores. It's also really sustainable. By using natural and repurposed materials, you are embracing an eco-friendly style of decorating. So if you're looking for inspiration, there are some notable locations that really embrace the rustic Christmas decor style. One would be the Biltmore Estate in Asheville, North Carolina. This grand estate's Christmas displays often feature rustic elements like fresh greenery, handcrafted ornaments, and traditional wreaths. And of course, we couldn't talk about it without talking about Dollywood. Have you all ever been to Dollywood? I kind of want to go, but I've never been. I heard it's actually so much fun though. This is located in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Now, this theme park embraces rustic charm during the holidays, with vintage-inspired decorations and tons of natural materials. Then there is the Greenbrier in West Virginia. Now, while known for its elegance, the Greenbrier incorporates rustic touches in its holiday displays, blending a lot of natural elements but pairing it with this opulence. It's a beautiful combination. But if those three are not on your list, many rustic lodges and cabins and vacation spots in areas like Colorado, Montana, South Dakota, Vermont create really stunning rustic Christmas setups in their lodges and their cabins. So whether you're going for a lodge or an Airbnb, you'll be able to see a lot of that rustic decor. Rustic Christmas decor reminds us of simpler times and the beauty of nature during the holidays. So whether you live in a country home or an urban apartment, you can bring this cozy, timeless style into your space with a few thoughtful touches. Thank you for joining me on Home Decor 101. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday decorating inspiration. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite rustic Christmas decor element? I can't wait to hear how you'll transform your home this season. Until next time, happy decorating and happy holidays.